Hey y'all, I had a taste for turkey wings and rice, so that is what I am making. But I want to say a couple of things about this dish that I am preparing. I know y'all seen me several times take the lid off and add water, and you may be wondering, why am I doing that? Well, in my opinion, that is the secret for stovetop wings when you're cooking wings stovetop. That's the secret to getting them extra tender, is to let them cook slowly. And as you see here, my lid is tilted. It's not on fully because if I put it on fully, um, it's going to eventually start steaming. You can see it's steaming right now, and I don't want it to do that. I mean, it's okay if it does, but it makes too much noise, and I don't want to hear all that noise. So otherwise, your pot may bubble and water may go everywhere. But so to prevent all of that, or to help prevent it, I just tilt my top a little bit. So that's why you see it tilted or vented. But anyway, so yeah, so these turkey wings, I let them cook for as long as needed. Actually, until the meat starts falling off the bones because I want my meat to basically fall off the bone. So as it cook, I just come and check it and refill it with water. I will be serving this over rice. That's how I'm going to eat mine. But some of y'all don't eat rice for your nutritional reasons, whether you're on a diet or whatever the case may be, honey. Some people don't eat rice, but I'm eating mine with rice today. And right now, let's just go ahead and take the top off of it to see what it's looking like. I will add some more water because it's getting low. You see how the meat is coming off the bone? That's what I want. I want that to happen all the way through. And honey, this piece of whatever this is, if I can help it, I don't like to eat that. If I can find it, I'll take it out. But you see how the meat just kind of come off the bone? But so it needs to cook a little bit more because it's not coming up as easy as I'd like for it to come off. Let's flip it over. Let's see. It's getting there. So what I'd like to do is in the very beginning is season. I showed y'all the seasons that I was using, but I like to season heavily because I know that this is going to cook down several times and I'm going to refill several times. As of like right now, I'm going to go ahead and add some more water to that to fill it back up and just go ahead and recover. So that's pretty much it. And I showed y'all the ingredients that I'm using as far as the seasonings and the onion, cilantro, and celery. But of course, you can use whatever you want to use in yours. So that's pretty much it. Just hanging out and cooking turkey wings. Y'all, also, the way I'm cooking these turkey wings right now is the exact same way that I would cook it if I were adding greens or beans to it. You know, season everything, get it to taste like you want it to taste, get the meat all good and tender, and once your broth is exactly like you like it, that's when you go ahead and add your greens or beans if that's what you want. And you can do this with any type of meat, chicken, turkey, any type of beef. This is my method of cooking when I'm cooking stove top. Otherwise, I would put it in the crock pot or a slow cooker and let it cook the exact same way. Okay, y'all, let's see what this is looking like now. Let me go ahead and turn the fire off. I think this is pretty much like I like it. Oops. And the broth, the turkey broth has this color because I added butter. And to me, in my opinion, butter makes the broth rich. There's more of a richer taste to it. So that's why I added butter to it.